Hi, my name is Heather Hoffman. My role here at Versa Pak is managing the office. I oversee customer service, the quoting team, purchasing, and our shipping department. My day consists of supporting each of those departments. I also quote, I sales support to our sales manager and a few marketing functions. As manager, my goal is to make improvements in all these areas.
Hi, I'm Holly Tonkin, and I am a quality technician here in the office. 3 years ago, I did start as a line operator, and from there, I moved into setup and a 2 hour quality on the plant floor. And now I am in the quality department in the office. From here, I help customers with any questions or concerns that they have, as well as the production floor with any questions or concerns that they have.
Hi, my name is Jody Youngs, and I am a line operator here at Versa Pak. I help mentor the new employees that come through the door on a buddy system. I lead with a positive and free-spirited attitude for A shift.
In the last 3 years, I watched a 56,000 square foot addition be added to our facility, 4 new lines being built to give us a total of 30 lines. We've created many positions throughout the facility, from the office through the back, just to help manage the expansion and support the growth of the company.
I have seen an expansion be built since I've been here, and it has given us 4 new lines, which has given us a lot of more job opportunities from within. And I've also seen our culture and our core values being more and more implemented, which has given the environment a lot more positive and friendly place to work.
I agree with all the changes that the other two ladies have mentioned. I'm most excited about the 5S initiative I have been fortunate enough to be a part of. Being able to help for an overall more organized and safe workplace is important to me.
Well, I am in the office. I'm not out in the manufacturing part of the business, but our workforce here at Versa Pak is 45% women. So these are various roles from line operators up to our CSO of the company.
Since I've started here, I have never felt like my options were limited by being a female. I have took on roles and positions that were more or so male dominated. And I've also seen other women take on the different production roles that would otherwise be male dominated. This place has never made me feel like I'm limited with where I can go, what I can learn. And I've seen the amount of women working here double, if not more, since I've started.
In 2023, manufacturing is no longer male dominated. Women at Versa Pak are strong-willed and focused and know what they want to achieve. There is all around good support from everyone at Versa Pak to help women achieve what they want here at Versa Pak.
Well, I think the word manufacturing can be intimidating to some women. I think a lot of times we think it just means heavy lifting, dirty work, repetitive work. I think women bring a lot to the table in manufacturing. You know, we all have strengths that fill the void of someone else's weaknesses, which that makes teamwork, and then teamwork is success. So I don't think you should be afraid to try anything.
I think that I tried my best to reach out to the new women who are applying and starting here, to be really supportive and welcome them with open arms, and to just be an example for them. And reaching out with where I can is helpful.
Like Holly, I feel like I am a very positive person here at Versa Pak. The new women and men that come in, I try to encourage them to try different things and let them know that they can do things that they don't think they can do. Overall, I think that in manufacturing, women need to know that it's an open schedule. They don't have to work at 8 to 5 behind a desk. They can do and accomplish anything that they put their minds to.